Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Notes and confirming you have local access. This step prevents needless troubleshooting. Once done, tap the three-dot menu in the top right to reveal hidden options. You should see a hidden or private notes entry. Select it and enter the password or biometric. Make sure to use the exact My Account credentials if the app prompts to sync. This first step unlocks the layer where Xiaomi keeps concealed notes so you can proceed safely. Once you've unlocked the hidden area, the app decrypts notes locally. Wait for that process and don't close the app. If nothing appears, make sure Note Sync is enabled in Settings and sign into the same My Account used originally. Then force a manual sync. This pulls any cloud-stored hidden notes back to the device. Also check the cloud folder and recently deleted. Sometimes hidden items are moved there during app updates or repairs, so make sure to look carefully. To complete recovery, restore from a My Cloud backup if sync didn't bring notes back. Open My Cloud Web and export any notes you find. Once done, import or resync to your phone. If nothing shows, contact Xiaomi support before taking destructive steps. One key troubleshooting tip: if hidden notes remain missing, clear the app cache and retry syncing, but do not clear app data unless you have a verified backup. Clearing data will permanently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.